This is Dr. Elizabeth Whitaker. I'm a double board certified facial plastic surgeon here in Atlanta, Georgia, coming to you from Atlanta Face and Body Center. And the question today is regarding face and chin firming and what is the best procedure for that. That actually is a fairly broad question because it really depends on the individual's particular concerns. Whether it's a younger person, someone who's a little older, someone where it's mainly fullness, someone who may have a lot of skin looseness, in terms of finding the procedure that's going to be optimum for your particular concerns. Procedures that can be performed in this general area, can start from doing some non-invasive skin tightening if someone's just starting to get a little early looseness of the skin. If someone has a lot of fullness, either for genetic reasons or otherwise, and very often that's something that even with weight loss, diet, and exercise you can't always get rid of. These are things that we can address. Potentially we're doing some contouring of the neck with liposuction, or doing some of our newer laser procedures where we combine laser with the liposuction. So in addition to removing the fat, we also get some skin tightening so that we can get these types of procedures that address fullness for patients who maybe are a little older, whereas liposuction is more suited to people who are very young with a lot of good skin tightness, 20s and 30s. We can continue to do perhaps procedures like this maybe for someone even in their 40s and 50s. As we start to get more skin laxity and looseness, then we really may need to do some skin tightening, and then we may be moving more into surgical procedures. We can look at performing a neck lift if the issue is primarily neck skin and there's not a lot of jowling or facial changes. But if we're seeing facial aging changes along with the neck, then very commonly we may perform a facelift, which really is working on the lower face and the neck together as a unit. One thing often people don't think about and very rarely come in asking for is considering a chin enhancement. And people may not be aware that if they feel that they have a prominent nose or that they don't have a really defined neckline, that the lack of a really strong chin and jawline may be contributing to that. So that can also be something that we'll evaluate to try and find out what's going to be the best procedure for you. And I think that's really what it's about. It's about customizing the procedure to your particular concerns, your particular anatomy. So it really is helpful to see your surgeon and talk about it in detail. And that's one of the reasons here at Atlanta Face and Body we offer free physician consultations for our Real Self community so that you can have that opportunity to find out what's going to work for you. This is Dr. Elizabeth Whitaker coming to you from Atlanta Face and Body Center, and thank you so much for the question.